our plan is always to try to find the balance, no? Because they are good team in general, not only in the attacking positions. I think they have a good balance, and we need to be ready for that. No? Finally, is try to score goals, to hurt the opponent, using our tools, but also find the balance. I'm comfortable playing like this, but I don't think Mumbai City is this kind of team. So we need to compete for the possession of the ball. If we have the possession of the ball, we are going to dominate the game, and we are going to be passionate to find the spaces, and also we need to be ready for the transition when we are losing the ball. But the most important thing is try to win this game, and this is my target in this moment. For me, the past is the past, and don't affect what is going to happen in the next game. This is only numbers. For sure, it's a different game, it's a different team, same clubs, but every season is a different situation. Especially also this season, we have the opportunity to play against them, and they have the opportunity to play against us only one time. And I don't think the past can affect what is going to happen tomorrow. They have a very good players, they have an experimental coach, they knows very well how is the competition, they have good foreign players, who know very well. One of them, Kauko, is a very good player, helped Paul Magan before a lot to get the targets. I think they have very good Indian players with very good numbers. You can see, I think Mumbai City is a good team, and we need to compete in the highest level if we want to win this game. The most important thing is to be top of the table after the last game. But I want to be very honest with you, no? To go to the break winning this game could be very good for us. No? Not only because in terms of mental situation we are on top of the table, we are dominating in the league. It's because also we are winning against a team who can be one of the opponents at the end of the season. They are fighting for the same targets. No? I think it's very important. It's a very important game for us, and we are excited about this because we are playing at home in front of our supporters. Could be a difficult game for us, but this is my mentality. Always when you are playing for 3 points and you are winning only one, you are losing 2. This is my mentality always. I feel we can win the game, we can get 3 points, and my feeling is we lost 2 points more than we won 1 point.